It doesn't open. Yeah, probably. Thank you.
You made this work.
We just woke up in this Airbnb in Midland. It's an amazing place, elevated, second floor. The glass walls behind us are amazing. You wake up with the light. There's a TV here. The bed is here. The main area with the food is here. And this is the bathroom. You can see this massive glass in front of the shower. And the plan today is to go to the Swan Valley, visit the wineries, have some wine, explore some parks and some food. Simple as that. Now we're having breakfast and then we go. We just arrived in this area, privately owned space, where this guy with the wife, 40 years ago he bought the land, and for 40 years he has been sculpturing all these things that you see around me, and some friends from around the world, they are leaving their pieces of art here so people can see them and buy them. The place is huge. We just explored upstairs. There are some paintings, some sculptures, and outside is where most of the pieces of art are. The guy spent 50 years sculpturing. The stuff is masterpieces. This place is huge. We have been walking already for 30 minutes and there is still stuff to see. And this is self-owned. The guy is not funded by the government or any entity, just his land and his sculpture. Some friends' sculpture as well, but 99% of the stuff here is his. Look at this, it's crazy, and look at that. There's a bear over there. It's a little house shaped like a bear. And here there is a can, and inside of the can there is a little compartment, an hammock, and some other things. This one was exposed to Cottesloe this year. Look at the inside. Look at the size of that sculpture.
Enjoy while you're young. Enjoy everything that you can possibly do while you can have fun, indulge in nice food and drink and all those things, you know, all those things. Make the most of it now, because, you know, before you turn around once and a year is gone, you know what I mean? You turn around the other way, 2 years are gone, and you think, shit, you know, what's going on, you know? But as you get older, it gets worse.
We just stopped for a chai latte. The next stop will be the chocolate factory, and then we go to another art gallery. Very relaxed day, but we've seen a lot already. I'd say there is a bit of art and the rest is pleasurable things like eating and drinking. We just arrived in the best place in the Swan Valley. We are ditching wines for this. Inside, I don't know how it looks, but in Margaretry it was a full room filled with any kind of chocolate, and I'm expecting the same from this place. Let's go, I'll take you in. This is all made in chocolate and candies. We just bought some chocolate for tonight and some salted caramel, which is this one.
We should first try the wasabi
and some
wasabi.
This is your salted caramel?
No, let's do half-half.
Okay.
Try both.
And this is my wasabi. So I'm gonna eat half and tell you how it feels, tastes.
How is it? Is it good?
It's kicking in. It's not very wasabi. I wanted to feel my nose like cocaine rush, but it's not happening. It's very mild.
Yeah, I thought you were
Japanese people will be disappointed, yeah.
You like the intense things.
Yeah, but it's not intense at all. And this one, look at the salt, look at the salt. Nice. Look at this. Wow. It's dripping.
I agree with you. Like, it doesn't taste like wasabi at all. Okay, you were right.
Thank you, thank you.
So which one do you prefer?
Yours. The caramel inside is mind blowing. So good. And the fact that it's melted, so good. It goes straight to your brain, right? Right?
Really good.
We just had the sugar rush is kicking in a few minutes. And right now we're going to a winery. There is Sandalford, another one that starts with M, we'll probably choose that, and another one. It's full of wineries, but we are choosing the one that we've been advised on from the shop assistant in there. She said it's gonna be good, so we're gonna try some wine and then go back to Perth. This is the last stop of the day. We just ordered a bruschetta, crepe and a madeleine, the cake from Proust's poem. We're gonna try this, enjoy it probably, and then we're gonna drive back to Perth, probably have a sauna, some sushi, cinema. We're gonna end the day like that. This is the cherry on top of an amazing day. And
In the game of life, that sometimes the time just goes so quickly. You know, I just when you talk about, you know, Amsterdam was 41 years ago. 41, I cannot believe it was 41 years ago. I cannot believe that we've been here for almost 40 years. Next year will be 40 years, you know. So the time just, enjoy while you're young, enjoy everything that you can possibly do while you can have fun, indulge in nice food and drink and all those things, you know, all those things. Make the most of it because, you know, before you turn around once and a year is gone. You know what I mean? You turn around the other way, 2 years are gone. And you think, shit, you know, what's going on, you know?